My friends, let me show you something cool about ripple. Picture yourself in a mix, and you have a great vocal, and you want a delay on it, but maybe it's a bit much. For example, like this.
So call out your lifeboats, honey, I'm all at sea.
I'm going to put a little less of the wet.
So call out your lifeboats, honey, I'm all at sea.
This is dry.
So call out your lifeboats, honey, I'm all at sea. So call out your lifeboats, honey, I'm all at sea.
All right, that's cool. I like the tone of it. It's just a simple delay with the lo-fi and a little reverb on the delay. But I want to show you all the creative possibilities of the gate duck circuit. So I'm going to turn that on. There are two sections. You can play with the feed into the delay, or you can play with the delay itself. For example, if I turn gate on the delay feed, that means that the feed is gated unless the dry signal goes over the threshold, right? So there's nothing going into the delay unless it gets loud, essentially. And it sounds like this.
So call out your lifeboats, honey, I'm all at sea.
So that allows you to just have delay come on the loud words because you're gating the signal into the delay if it's quiet. So if I raise it a little bit.
So call out your lifeboats, honey, I'm all at sea.
See? Cool. One click. Ungate, we had a hard time naming it. It should be like the other gate or rave gate or comp gate or something else, but ungate is what it is. It's the exact opposite of that. That means that if gate allows you to make the loud words wet, ungate allows you to make the soft words wet and the loud words dry. Sounds like this.
So call out your lifeboats, honey, I'm all at sea. Could you be my lighthouse, honey, and rescue me?
If you play with the amount, you can actually make sure that it doesn't get as wet when the stuff gets loud, which means that you can really control how much of the delay you have.
So call out your lifeboats, honey, I'm all at sea.
A great way to really massage how the delay reacts to the lead signal. So that's gate and ungate. Incredibly useful. Without ripple, I have to do a send to an aux and then a key and then I have a compressor or a gate on the key on the aux. It's a pain. Here it's all in one. Rockin'. So let's talk about the output reduction because that's also bananas. You could use both at the same time, but we're not that kind of girl. So duck. This is a more classic thing. What duck is that when the dry signal is there and above the threshold, then it ducks the delay. Check it out.
So call out your lifeboats, honey, I'm all at sea.
Which means you're going to hear the delay more when there's no direct signal. So that allows you to have a pretty washy thing as a tail. You could do it like pretty wild with more.
So call out your lifeboats, honey, I'm all at sea.
Got it? Okay. And then unduck is the opposite, which means that the effects will come on only when it's loud.
So call out your lifeboats, honey, I'm all at sea.
Pretty rad, right? Imagine that on drums.
So call out your lifeboats, honey, I'm all at sea.
And that, my friend, is the gate duck circuit in Ripple. And Ripple makes waves.